all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I hope we are all on the same page on this regard on very very crucial civil justice sign of closure provided for by myself for myself. It is because United States of American nation with fatal negligence created robocall poverty mandate and enforced poverty to I and enforced finance disability to I and enforced finance debt to I, and that is debtless crime. And that is why United States of America is at fault mode, and found guilty in all counts of crimes of Vatican. So I will go ahead and read this civil justice sign off fast as possible, okay, to make it short, this session. And there is one testimony I want to provide. When I displayed the scandal of the Time magazine, the Meredith magazine, they bought the Time magazine because with my wisdom education, they thought the Time magazines cannot survive. So like any other merging process or buying out process, this Meredith magazine, they brought this Time magazine. It's okay, and that is because of my wisdom education when I was working on the Poverty Free Earth end of the year 2030 volunteer project during the time frame of spring 2014 up until spring 2019. So that is one of the accomplishment. Okay, it's a team effort, right? I educated that Time magazine is wrong, is injustice, and that's all I provided for the wisdom education. And immediately United States of America listened to me, and they merged the Time magazine and the Meredith magazine. It is my understanding they bought it out. Okay, so okay. Anyways, I will quickly read through this civil justice. For I, Vedapriya Pro se, proved scandal of absolute monarchs and proved Pope Francis is Roman Empire king hero as of February 2021. Any salary as in tax-free billions of dollars, USA government can provide effective immediate using direct deposit to my bank account. To I am that I am, Vedapriya Prose, a native Indian tribe, Israelite type Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide, can help me. So scandal phases of Republica Europe nations worldwide is Republica prostitution magazines nations, right? I'm just putting a generic word called magazines. So if you look into the screenshot, it will have children's magazines, right? The storybooks, small short stories, and magazines for adults, right? So there are long lists, like long list of magazine. I'm not able to put everything. So that's why I'm just providing the generic name magazines, and any magazine comes under the umbrella. Okay. So Republica prostitution magazines nations. Never educated USA Republican government can never enforce poverty, and USA can never create robocall poverty mandate to I Vedapriya Prose, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, and a true civil supreme judge. And it is fatal negligence of Republica prostitution magazine nations to be fatal negligence. Either USA government should say knows who is Republica prostitution magazines nations, or either USA government should say don't know who is Republica prostitution magazine nations. So, Republica Prostitution Magazine Nations created robocall poverty mandate, and it is deadliest crime as of February 2021. So, it comes under the domestic violence classification. Subclassification is breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, causation and injury to the brain nerves, and battery and types, and assault and types, and false imprisonment and types, and trespass to land and types, and trespass to chattels and types. So, I, Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, own the text for ongoing civil justice sign-off. USA prostitution magazine nations with fatal negligence fail to educate. USA cannot create robocall poverty mandate, and by default created Republica USA robocall poverty mandate to I Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and Republica government GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh in October 2018 enforced poverty mandate to I Vedapriya Pro Se abruptly on October 2018, and Republican government of United States of America took away $4,500 October 2018 abruptly, and enforced finance debt of $10,210.38 since October 2018, October 2019, October 2020. 20 and as of today, and also enforced finance disability to I. So it is crime for Republican prostitution magazines nations when ruling USA never bothered to educate USA should never provide enforced poverty to I Vedapriya Pro Se. So civil justices I Vedapriya Pro Se wants Citibank CEO to pay off my debt $10,210.38 in full and sign off tax-free $4,500, and Republican prostitution magazines must sign off tax-free $500,000 billion to be direct deposited to my bank account for all types of damages done by television channels worldwide and selfish, cunning Islam, Judaism, absolute monarchs types, wild endangered species and health creators, and direct deposit to my bank account. And at fault when found guilty, Holy Highness God of USA, Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis, and Republican government of USA will provide the needful help accordingly to be on the same page. And for I, Vedapriya Pro Se, displayed the scandal of absolute monarchs. I, Vedapriya Pro Se, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines, I want USA to rename the Lord Ripon building in Tamil Nadu, India after my name as Vedapriya Civil Justice Served, and I, Vedapriya Pro Se, to become the Vatican leader to Civil Justice Served, and Pope Francis resigns abruptly Civil Justice Served, and President Joe Biden resigns abruptly Civil Justice Served, and I, Vedapriya Pro Se, to become the true civil supreme judge of all nations across the globe is Civil Justice Served, and I, Vedapriya Pro Se, to become the supreme chief civil family law judge across all nations is Civil Justice Served, and I, Vedapriya Pro Se, to become the global poverty relief medical director chief medical director across the globe to lead and guide the Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Exports, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is Civil Justice Served, and I, Vedapriya Pro Se, to be the ambassador for all nations starting with India is Civil Justice Served, and I, Vedapriya, must get the dual citizenship of India and USA is Civil Justice Served. And yes, my dear fellow mankind, I hope we are all in the same page that my civil justice sign off for myself is also a multitasking, and I sure will get the medical finance compensation for entire human kingdom, and first I should get the rightful finance aid, rightful salary, rightful national benefits, right, and job offer signed off by USA, right? So I hope I get the civil justice earliest as possible in front of all nations only. Talk to you later. Take care. Bye for now.